Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka rupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Unong yalam jong kaliang persya na kaseng Kongres Dr. Mukul Sangma ula Takraiñ Tyngeh ya ka Sorkar klek haulang jong ka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance da ka bakeno ba kadai ka Sorkar ka batlot bat ka bamshim lala setiaban wanra ya ki Kampun Roy kumbala angnot bala khmilenti da ki pajba ha ka jing ekren ba kilap pathai ku bor ha ka khat santarik urisau arjar khat khandai Dr. Mukul Sangma ula ong baki arsnem jong jing sensyar jong ka Sorkar MDA kila shutulun klem da yo I satya ya kilat rekam ki bathamai ki bakani ka Sorkar kan le ai ha ka ba ki pajba nong shong shnong ka jela ki mat ya ki jing ba harukom nagasngi shakasngi.
In fact, somebody from other party said that there is a standstill in the whole developmental program in the state. And so this is the concern of the people. And based on this, these issues are the issues which are being part of the political discourse in this by-election. Another thing is that that particular constituency, from the perspective of development, there has been a perceived feeling from the electorate that there was no inclusive approach for development. There has been, I must say, imbalanced development across the constituency, and those are the concerns. And therefore, people are obviously looking at a new beginning, and we have offered them to see what should be the new beginning. The new beginning should be with a party and a candidate who belongs to a team which is seen to be responsive collectively. And in a democracy, we always talk about collective response to fulfill the expectations and aspirations of the people. In our democracy, the whole approach to development, or rather any developmental initiatives to fulfill the aspirations of the people, has to be obviously focused and attempted for delivery collectively by the team. That's why you have the political party system. And the concern here is that when you're talking about a collective response in ensuring the quantum of development that we need to make in the state, we'll also have to look at how a team, a political party responds to that kind of situation. You might have also, in fact, media has carried some of the political party focusing only on one community or one section of the society. That's why I have said that if you want to ensure overall progress and prosperity of the state and see that people feel proud of the democratic system that we have, then you'll have to ensure inclusive development. And that is what has been missing across the state, and that is what our Congress-led government in the preceding years have always attempted to, and that is there for everybody to see. And I must also again reassert our commitment that whatever we commit, we deliver, and we don't just promise something which we don't deliver, or rather we don't engage in hollow promises. But the government of the day and the leaders associated with the present government has been indulging in these hollow promises. You have seen it in 2018, you continue to see, and you will continue to see so long they are in circulation. So it's time for people to say enough is enough, and we want result-oriented, action-oriented people in the hands of affairs of governance. And that is the narrative in this by-election. That is the political discourse that we are generating.